Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number verification. First, create one Gmail account, or you can use your existing one as well. This account will be used as a main Gmail account, or you can say the primary account. Open the website generator.email/blog/Gmail generator. You can find the link in the description as well. Write your Gmail and set the role to include dot or plus sign. You can disable or enable both or any one from these options. Click Generate button. You will get all the generated emails for you. You can say these emails are child of your primary Gmail account. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Let's start using these Gmails to create accounts on any website. For demo, let's create an account on github.com. The sign-up process is pretty easy. First email in the list is our primary email. Let's sign up using any other from the list. Enter email, password, and username. Username may only contain alphanumeric characters or single hyphens, and cannot begin or end with a hyphen. After completing the sign-up process, you will get the verification code on your primary Gmail account. That's all. You can create an account on any other website using these emails, and the verification email will be received on your primary email. You can save all these generated emails for future use. These emails are bound with your primary email now. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, thought, or feedback, please share them in the comments section.